Hi there, great to see you again. We just finished learning about why UX design is important, an entry-level UX designer's job responsibilities, and how to pursue a career in UX design. Coming up, we have a lot of exciting material to cover. We'll start by introducing you to common UX design terms and frameworks. We'll think about user-centered design and how it's applied. We'll introduce you to popular UX design tools, and we'll learn how UX designers think across platforms, from mobile apps to hardware devices. First, I'd like to share a little about myself. My path to Google wasn't straightforward. I started my career in industries like animation and gaming, and I moved to UX design later. So I've been in your shoes. I know what it's like to learn new skills and enter the world of design for the first time. I love teaching and sharing my knowledge because it allows me to help others overcome hurdles that I myself may have encountered. Good luck as you continue the program.